That's the fare for you.
Sure isn't fair.
Alright. There's the soda over there. Look at that. 1951. 1 year newer than mine.
How similar are the parts?
They changed the nose for the V8, but other than that, it's the same car. Let's see what this is all about.
They make me a sandwich. I already see.
Really?
Yeah, this thing's doing it. No. I just think that what you see, right?
Oh, we got a nice storage locker under there too. Look at the size of that thing.
So is this Class A, Class B?
No, this is a fifth wheel. Class A, Class B, Class C. That applies to motorhomes.
Oh, that's what you have, right?
Yeah, I have a Class A. Ooh. Let's go take a look at this.
Then I don't have to listen to her.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I hope you sell a million of them. How many years you sell?
It is easy to work on, though, I give it that.
Oh, yeah.
The problem with some of those orphan brands
What was around with Titanic?
Yeah, it would have been.
It had hydraulic brakes with external bands. Had to get the bands relined. Had one real cylinder receive.
Middleburg.
See what I mean by the yellowing white walls? Never fails. That's what mine did constantly.
Guys, my grandma was in town for it, bus out, so one way. Drive the car was out. And worked with that. What do you want to do? I haven't seen that green car you saw coming in.
Yeah, I did. It was right at the end. It's right in front of Grandstand, right next to This is unbelievable, Chandler. But you could wrap your knuckles on that door.
You know what Chandler ended up part of? Chrysler Corporation. Walter P. What a mount.
I want to see the Superbirds.
That is, I'm not sure what direction that's in. Here's the. The 1970s have reached the car show. I'll tell you right now, there's really no way in hell I'm ever going to look at those cars and think of them as old. I'm sorry, it ain't going to happen. Even though I know they are, it's still not going to happen.
Us is 60s and 50s.
Yeah.
On down.
Old to me is the 1920s and 30s.
Yeah.
Jim Higgins? You know, the fucking whole language out there. Yeah. Upstate somewhere.
Lincolns. And the Corvair Club.
How much does it upkeep one of these?
Not that much. They're fairly simple cars, you know. They throw a belt every now and then. That's about it, really. That and I'll just keep the rust under control.
I like that story about the boss being late to work one morning because he threw a belt in his Corvair. And it was supposedly kept quiet.
Look at that Cadillac, 1973.
You know, like the one before single barrel. My father had a 65 with 140 horsepower. Yeah, they came out with.
Here's Gene's Plymouth.
What year is this green thing over there?
I don't know. Let's go take a look. I can't see it from here. Gene was the gentleman who sold me my car. The DeSoto, actually, right before he passed away. Rheinbeck. We saw this car last year, didn't we? I think we did. I have to review the videotape. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I'll pay for it. As long as it's on it.
Pinto.
I gotta go to the grocery store.
I guess they're not here this year.
No, I guess not.
Oh, I'd like to have seen that.
Nice. Cadillac Road. Ooh, look at that. Had me one of those. And I had one of these. Same color even. And one of those.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Now I want to find Model A and Model T Row, which is over there.
Interior's original? No. Redone the back.
We're looking at you. There's the damn truck. You can't miss it. You're going the other way. I'm waiting around anyway. Yeah, right. That would even make fun even more.
So if you came back from the war, this is what you rode around in, huh?
Not me.
How do you start this?
With a key.
Well, you can hand crank it. Did it always come electric start?
Oh yes, it did. Dodge was a step up on Ford in that regard, at least in 1919. Although Ford did have the option of an electric starter.
How many
They
of
weren't-
these things are floating around?
Not that many anymore, Scott. Not that many.
Floating around? Actually, quite a few.
Oh, yeah?
Ved's got one across the street if you want to. This too, it's still there in the garage. It's a 19, a little newer than this. I think his is 23, maybe 22.
Dodge Brothers?
Yeah.
Is he a member of the Dodge Brothers Club?
No, he was a real estate investor who bought cars, didn't know how to take care of them. Now it's sitting there rotting away.
Oh no.
But he's selling them at auction finally.
Oh good.
I've been watching that car sit there, the cat's clawing the seats, the mice all over it. I offered him good money for it. It's a 22 Dodge, I believe.
Wow.
Yeah. So now he's gonna end up selling it for less than I offered it for him. What are you gonna do?
When's it going to auction?
He's taking it to Florida, I think, in another month or so. They have
It's going
to,
to auction in Florida?
yeah. They have to do some spiffing up on it first. Get the mice out of it anyway.
Will they do an online auction?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, he had about 100 cars and just,
Is it a touring like this or a roadster?
no, it's touring like this one.
Wow.
Nice car. Now, you remember this one, Scott? This is the one you saw driving across the field. You made the crack about the original owner. Studs. 25 studs. Nice.
That was 30 years before your granddad.
Yeah.
We'll see this one fixed up.
This is the one we see every year.
I don't know about missing the good stuff. He didn't want to
Yesterday
bid on
made
it.
my
He
mother.
didn't have a chance to. It just blows your whole day.
I love those priming cups. Look at those on the back swing. That's the really big money cars. Model A row, all right.
Really tight.
What? Yeah, the Volstead Act in the 18th Amendment. Prohibition. Oop. Not too many people back then would have upheld the 18th Amendment. Crapped it out maybe, that's about it.
Johnny, we're going to our club, but like I said, we have an awards dinner every year.
Oh, somebody's coming. Oh yeah.
Is it yours? Or yours is a 30?
Mine's a 30. Same car though.
Section, you don't really.
For Ryan in the back?
Man, it must be about 50 of them here. I have to count them later. It's not walking from the man's picture.
For night? That's so good.
You know it.
Teens, the TT.
Actually, you're welcome.
$21. Question is? Solid rubber. That give you a nice solid ride. Not many trees here today.
I'm gonna still blue on it.
Why?
Hot dog ain't sitting right with me.
So what do you want to do?
I'm just gonna go lemon line. I'm gonna start heading back to the car, but I can sit in the car.
All right, I'll meet you there. It won't take me long to look over there.
I see you point at his car and say, I would love to be behind you.
Make my daily quest.
Oh, you know what? We didn't even
I was all waiting for him. I want to move, yeah.
What's going on down here?
Take away cars. And I said, you come down $100, the same price I can buy that.
Get next to that mark.
I will buy it.
Come on, Deanna.
Come on, honey. From the aerodrome?
Something you can drink?
But there was this.